Let's get some trader talk now about trading places with Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Good to have you here, Scott. What do you think about Twitter connecting users to trading in an easier fashion?
Listen, anything that can make a process easier for someone, Angie, I'm in favor of. And, we've seen that over the last few years. Obviously, Robinhood came into this marketplace and really, made things so easy for people to trade. However, I would be a bit cautious here because the more gateways, the more connections you have to make to get to your trading platform, to get to your brokerage firm, in my opinion, the more can go wrong. So if you're connecting through Twitter to another brokerage firm, that's just an extra link, in my opinion. And I'm not so sure that the ease of doing that is worth the risk of something happening.
What could happen?
Well, we know in this day and age, number one, with identity theft, right? So someone happens to hack into your Twitter account or for whatever reason, they're able to follow the stream of Twitter to whatever the back end is. That's just one extra step that I wouldn't personally want to take. I mean, we know the issues that are out there. And then also what happens if there's an outage either on, let's say on Twitter, which happens, it happens on every platform. So what if there's an outage on Twitter, but you need to make a trade? Then what? Right? And that can happen on any platform, right? On any brokerage platform. But now again, you're adding in that extra step, that extra concern.
One of our viewers, Vicky, wrote to let us know that she is receiving messages from stocks to trade. Certainly, there are a number of companies out there promoting their sites. What's your advice?
Sure. So there are many, many stock trading platforms, stock or option trading companies out there that want to teach you, that want to be your broker. And just like anything else, I think that anybody has to do due diligence. What do I mean by that? Well, it's pretty easy to find information on any company out there, whether it's through a third-party company like Trustpilot, who people actually, email in and rate a company, and this is a third-party vendor, so you're going to get unbiased opinions. There's other ones out there as well, but I do think that people, especially with how easy it is to trade now, right? I mean, on the go, on the fly, mobile apps, there are people getting taken advantage of. I've seen it out there. So it's really a matter of doing due diligence. And for me, if I was going into a new acumen like this is trading, I would want to go somewhere where after I've reviewed this company, that I know the people behind the company have experience in that business. They've been doing it for a long time and are not just setting up shop, over the last year or so.
What about when people see these offers for free trading?
That's always a buzzword, Angie. And I think when you see that in any sort of advertisement, regardless of what the product is, you really have to take that with a grain of salt, right? What does free really mean? Is it too good to be true?
Great information. Thank you, Scott.
You got it, Angie. Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.